Hey, my money making friend, I have a good one for you all today. I'm officially getting a business phone number, and I'm going to walk you through step by step the process of getting a business phone number with UniTel Voice. And so if you're kind of like me before, right now, you hadn't heard about UniTel Voice. And so shout out to CEO businesswoman Cheryl Perez as she put me on to this company. And so the reason why they're so great is because they are cheap and they have great reviews. I was very taken aback by how many people listed customer service reps by name and said how well they had helped them get their business phone number set up on Trustpilot. And if you don't know, when it comes to business, Trustpilot is like my best friend. It definitely helps me vet out the companies that I decide to give my business to. And so UniTel Voice has a 4.8 out of 5-star rating with 139 reviews. And so from what I can tell, most people are raving about their experience. So with the combination of Cheryl saying this is great, as well as the Trustpilot reviews, I was like, UniTel Voice is going to be the company that I buy my business phone number from. And so I'm going to walk us through the process so that you can easily set up a business phone number as well. And so from what I can tell, it's a 3-step process. You're going to pick your phone number. You can choose a toll-free number, local number, vanity number, or keep your existing number. And then for step number 2, you need to record your greeting. Record a professional greeting and easily add department and employee extensions with voicemail. And third, you can take calls anywhere. Seems like these steps are pretty easy. So let's jump into the pricing. And so UniTel offers 4 packages. They have the Startup, Unlimited, Office, and Office Plus. With this startup, it includes 1 phone number and 500 monthly minutes. And so personally for me, I'm not going to be using too many minutes. I mainly need this as a business phone number to have a professional look. And so I'm going to go with a startup plan, but just to touch on real quick, the unlimited includes unlimited minutes, unlimited users. The Office plan includes desktop setup, so you can get desktop soft phone, desk phones, as well as team messaging. And then Office Plus includes video conferencing and screen sharing. Now that we've covered the plans, I know that startup is the best fit for my business and likely the best fit for yours as well. So let's click sign up now. So it's going to ask for my first and last name, my email, my contact phone number, and my company name. And so I'm just going to put my business information here and then hit continue. And so now we're really getting to the fun part. This is where you get to choose your business number. And so you have a couple of options. You can choose to go with a toll-free number, a custom toll-free number, the true 800 number, a new local number, or you can transfer an existing number. Today I'm gonna go with a standard toll-free number, and what's great is that this number can be active within 1 hour of getting it set up. The reason why I'm going with a toll-free number is that it gives the professionalism that I'm wanting without having to pay an additional fee, like I would with a custom toll-free number or the true 800 number. For me, where I am in my business, one of these toll-free numbers will work perfectly. And I'm gonna go with 888 as my toll-free number of choice. And so I'm gonna go through this list and look for ones that have a lot of repeat numbers because it'll be easier for customers to remember. Great, I found my number. And so now I'm just gonna enter in my billing information. And so one key thing that I do want to point out is that you can decide whether you want to be on a monthly plan or you want to be on an annual plan. When you're on an annual plan, you'll save about 30%. And so that's definitely something that I'm considering when deciding whether I'll purchase monthly or on an annual plan. And then the second thing that I want to point out is that the federal taxes as well as the state and city taxes depends on the city that your business is located in. So it could add a couple of more dollars to this $9.99 monthly fee. So once I entered in my address, you can see that it added on $229 for federal taxes, $117 for state and city taxes, and then $199 for carrier regular fees, which totals to $15.44 on a monthly basis. Now let's move over to the monthly plan and see how that total changes. And so instead of $9.99, I'd be paying $6.99 on a monthly basis. And because of the history of my business and how far I've grown, I definitely see my business lasting for years to come. So I'm gonna move ahead with purchasing the annual plan. Then the total that I'll pay today is $129.60. And so nice. It says by going with the annual plan, I will save $55.68. So it took me to this screen. I wasn't expecting this. I was hoping I was gonna get congrats. Your business phone will be delivered to you in 1 hour. But it says I need to verify the account. And so I need to enter in a contact phone number. And then I'm gonna click send code. And now it's gonna ask me to verify that code. After I verify the code, it's now gonna ask me to create a username and password for the account. Quick heads up, please note the username and password you just created is your master admin login, not your login for the UniTel Voice mobile app. But don't worry, you'll get instructions on how to access your app during the setup process. We're activating your number. Your virtual phone system is almost ready. This process takes about 15 minutes to complete before you can use your number and manage your phone system settings. Thank you. You successfully signed up and your receipt has been emailed to you. This is the screen that I've been waiting for. And so it's tell us about you. How did you hear about us? If you're watching this, you heard about it from me. What industry are you in? I'm in consulting. How long have you been in business? I've been in business for 2 years. How many employees do you have? I just have me. And then I'm gonna hit submit. We have officially set up a business phone number. Yay! And so in less than 15 minutes, I'll be able to manage my phone system settings. In the meantime, here is a video that we can watch.
Welcome to UniTel Voice. Before you jump into your account and start looking around, there are 3 important things you should know. 1. How to log into your account versus your mobile app. 2. What UniTel Voice is and how it works.
Well, you'll have to set a business phone number up to find out step number 3. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions at all in the description below. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.